Milk powder is a versatile dairy product that is easy to store and transport. It is made by removing the water from milk, which extends its shelf life. This is especially useful in places where fresh milk is hard to find. High-quality milk starts with healthy cows. A dairy cow needs to consume 45 kg of nutritious food and drink 200 liters of water daily to produce as much as 38 liters of milk per day. During the milking process, the cows are placed in a milking parlor, which is a large area with multiple stalls for the cow. Dairy farmers typically use machines to milk their cows, which are designed to be gentle and efficient. The machines are then attached to the cow's udder and the milk is collected in a tank. After the milk has been collected from the cows, it is transported to the dairy processing plant in refrigerated tanks. Once it arrives at the plant, the milk is tested for quality and purity. After that, the milk is then transported into a centrifugal separator to separate the solids that are inside the milk. The next step is pasteurization. Pasteurization is the process of heating the milk to a specific temperature for a specific amount of time in order to kill any harmful bacteria that may be present. This helps to ensure that the milk is safe for human consumption. The milk is heated to around 72 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds, then cooled back down to around 4 degrees Celsius. This process is known as high-temperature short-time pasteurization. After pasteurization, the milk enters a concentration process where water is removed to enhance the powder's shelf life, preheating to approximately 60 degrees Celsius, and the milk is then sprayed into a giant hot air chamber. This hot air chamber acts like a super sponge, soaking up most of the moisture, leaving behind a super concentrated milk product. This concentrated milk gets blasted with even hotter air with a temperature at about 220 degrees Celsius in a tall drying tower. This process helps to evaporate the remaining moisture from the milk, leaving behind nothing but fine powder. Then, the milk powder undergoes strict quality check to ensure freshness and safety. Finally, the milk powder is ready for packaging. Proper packaging is crucial to protect it from light, air, and moisture, keeping it fresh for a long time. The bags or containers are sealed and labeled with the brand name and nutritional information. The milk powder then heads up to store for you to enjoy. So next time you add milk powder into your tea or coffee, remember the amazing journey it took to get there. From happy cows to clever science, milk powder is a delicious and convenient way to enjoy dairy goodness anytime, anywhere.